gon' be rich. One day. We here at Best Buy, picking up the console. Sorry about my dirty ass window. It's time, baby. About, what, 2 minutes before we can walk in, I think? Or I don't even know if we can fucking walk in, but 6 o'clock, I'm walking up to that door, I know that. Live stream. Yes, indeed, baby. Don't know yet. Still waiting. There they go. 6841. All right. Have a good one. Thank you. Welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. SKOOFEE here, back with another video for you guys today. And today, got something pretty dope. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, invite your friends and family. Without further ado, let's get on into it. I used to rip that bitch, and I used to rip the wrong way. All right, so here it is, guys. The brand new Xbox Series X. I picked this up from Best Buy. I was able to pre-order. I pre-ordered, I think, what, September 22nd? So pre-ordered this back in September, and it's finally here, finally able to pick it up. Enough talking, we waited long enough. This is the day one edition. At least I'm gonna call it that. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm pretty excited, I know you guys are. How do we do this? Piece of tape here. Peel this, all right. Here's the back. It's got the halo. I don't know who that fucking dude is, but he's on there. I think it's Master Chief or some shit, I don't know. But gives you all the specs on the back. Okay, on the side. Gives you the specs as well. Okay. Oh, there's another piece of tape. Look, they tried to hide. By the way, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I did do a live stream on picking this thing up. So if you guys want to see that, it should be uploading as we speak. It's time to open it up. I'm really nervous. You know, I'm really nervous to open this thing up. I know I'm kind of holding back, but I am going to do a giveaway. Once this video reaches 1,000 likes, so let's get this video to 1,000 likes, and I will do some type of Xbox giveaway bundled thing that I do. Don't feel like you need to get the Series X. The only way I would say get the X if you want the storage. I mean, realistically, for the extra 200 bucks is worth it if you're going to be really gaming. Otherwise, if you just play little games, for example, I only play 2 games realistically. You could probably do with having just the Slim. So don't feel like you need to get the X if you have a chance to get the Slim. That's the only advice I want to give you guys. All right. Also, if you're waiting for the PS5 and you're kind of waiting to see if you get that first, and then you want to try to go back and get the Xbox, I don't know if that's going to be a good thing. You're better off buying the Xbox and then seeing if you can get a PlayStation. Otherwise, you just wait for the PlayStation. Oh, so we're going to open it up. First time seeing it right here. We're going to pull that thing up and boom. There it is. Man, that just felt great. This thing is really, really heavy. I will say that. It's very heavy. So it says power your dreams. Jeez, this thing is heavy. Oh my gosh. Before we get into that, I want to look at this. Make sure there's no code on it or nothing. There is a code, but it's just telling you to download their app. This is kind of like the setup shit, I think, for the console. All right. This is where all the cords and stuff is. So a cool thing about this, and I don't know if you get this with the Slim, with the Series X, you do get the HDMI 2.1 cord. So this is the ultra high speed, as you can see there. You do get that included with it. By itself, if you were to buy this ultra high speed cord by itself, I think it's like a $30 cord, if I'm correct. No power brick, of course, just the plug-in cord. I might even be able to use the one from my old Xbox and just keep this one fresh, to be honest. Then over here, I'm assuming this is the controller. So of course we want to see that. Let's take a look. I'm not even gonna lie, I definitely am gonna have to get that blue controller. I'm not gonna lie, I love that controller. It looks really nice. So this one does come with batteries, but I have a battery pack. I think you know what, I'm gonna use the batteries first, then use my battery pack. And here is the controller. Okay, so your share button is right in the middle. You have USB-C right there, so that's pretty cool. Like, it has a lot of grip on it. Like the back, the front, not as much right here, but on the back, you can really feel the grip. Now, I am curious to know if it's gonna rub off over time or if it stays that way. If it stays that way, you can grip this really good. Like it's pretty good. I like that. I feel the same as my previous controller, and it doesn't feel any different. I don't know if I'm tripping, but it does feel kind of small. I don't know. I feel like it's smaller. I don't know. I think I'm tripping. There's a controller. You have free passes or anything. You do get the guide, of course. You don't get any free Xbox Live Gold for a week or nothing like that. They used to always include stuff like that. We're gonna open the big hunka. But I really just call it that. That's how I know I'm lame as fuck. I really just call it that. All right, let's take this out of the sleeve. Man, this thing is heavy as shit. We got it out the sleeve. I like to put everything back the correct way. All right. Even take the tape off nice. Whew. Yeah, I did it upside down, but whatever. All right. And here it is. This is a big ass console. This shit's heavy. There it is, guys. Xbox Series X. There go the ports. Yeah, that thing is nice. Speechless. I'm very speechless. It's crazy that I have this. I do kind of want to do a side-by-side quick comparison really quick to my previous Xbox. I don't know, my old one looks better. I'm not even gonna lie. I like the old style. This new style is ugly as shit. I don't care what anyone says. It is ugly as hell. I don't care how powerful it is. It is ugly. And that big ass fan, it's got a huge fan on the top. Sorry if you can't see it, but it does have a big fan there. So now it's just time to hook this thing up and have some fun, you know? Turning it on for the first time. Yay! That's it, guys. We did it. We got the Series X. It's finally here. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. SKOOFEE here, and I'm out. Told my niggas we gon' be rich.